Hello, in this video I want to show you 4 platforms that you can use to sell your information products, and number one of them is Facebook and Instagram. And the reason I meshed them together is that you can create ad on Facebook and it will show on Instagram simultaneously, so they are together. And Instagram is owned by Facebook. And in the last video I showed you how you can create different browsers so that you can have different accounts on one computer. Make sure you watch that video, and in case you have not yet watched that video, I'm going to leave the link to that video in the description of this video. And I also showed you how you can verify your identity so that you will be able to run ad on Facebook. So Facebook is one of the most important way you can sell your online course or information product. It could be ebook, whatever it is. You need, once in a while, you may need to run ad and sell your information product. Then the second platform is Expertnia. Expertnia is a Nigerian website. It is owned by one of the most popular marketer in Nigeria by name Toyin Omotoso, and this is where most of the online course creators, most of the coaches in Nigeria, this is where they upload their information products and sell it. And with Expertnia, everything become very easy for you. All you need to do is just contact them and they will list your products on their website, and you can go and sleep. It is the affiliate that will promote your product for you. The affiliate on Expertnia will promote your products on a commission. Take for instance, your product is sold for 40,000 naira. You can decide to give the affiliate 40% or 50%. If you are giving the affiliate 50%, for instance, and that means the affiliate will get 20,000 naira while you get 20,000 naira. The advantage of this is that you can be sleeping while your business is running. You can go and do whatever you want to do. Your business is running. Even though you are on a vacation, the affiliates are there running ad on your behalf, selling your product for you. And the only thing you'll be seeing is bank alert. And this is what the kind of income we call passive income. You can also call it residual income. It's an income that you are not actively involved. You just upload your information products and is running on automation. The affiliates are selling it for you and you are then making money even though you are doing some other thing else. I'm going to leave the link to Expertnia in the description of this video. Then the third website that you can sell your information product is Seller. Seller is a new website and is owned by a Nigeria and is specifically dedicated to information products, and is similar to Expertnia but is somehow younger than Expertnia, but is growing very well. And you can also sell your information products on Seller. And the advantage of Seller is that it has both Naira and other currencies. And this means that people from other countries that cannot transact in Naira can buy your products on Seller, because they have a system that automatically translates Naira to so many currencies. And this makes it very easy for other countries, people from other countries, to buy your information product. All right. Then the last one I will talk about is Udemy. Udemy is not a Nigerian website, but they accept Nigeria to sell products on their website. For instance, I have so many courses on Udemy, and that is where most of the coaches in the whole world, most popular coaches in the world, they sell their products. And it's similar to Expertnia. You can sell your product even while you are sleeping. You just upload it there. There are affiliates there that will promote your product for you. And even without the affiliate, they have a way of, they can sell your product for you. They can run ad on your behalf. Udemy themselves will be running ad for you on your behalf. They can be promoting your product on Facebook, Google. They have a marketing platform. So you can decide to upload your course on Udemy, and you will be selling it there and getting a passive income. You will be receiving your income in dollars, and this is one of the passive income opportunity. I have so many courses on Udemy and I've sold a lot of them. I'll be telling you more. I'll give you more detail on all this in my subsequent videos. And in case you have not yet gotten my premium course on From Knowledge to Cash, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video so that you can get that course. If you are getting it today, you are also getting a lot. If you are getting it today, you are also getting it along with my Facebook advertisement course. I call it Advanced Facebook Advertisement Masterclass. So if you are getting it today, you are also getting that one, which means you are learning how to create an information product and also learning the principle of running ad on Facebook and Instagram, so that you'll be able to sell your product. And make sure you get it so that you are getting it at a very big discount. And I don't know when I am going to give a discount again. All right. I hope this video has helped you in any way. And if it has helped you, make sure you leave a comment, and I will appreciate your review. I will appreciate your testimonial. If it can come in video form, that will be very, very welcome. All right. See you in the next video. Bye.